Every Pocketnow Daily intro involves Jaime apologizing. I know, dude, I'm sorry. I play Jaime's videos at 25% speed to hear drunk Jaime. That's actually a good idea. Jaime Rivera to his wife before going to bed. I'm Jaime Rivera, good night.
True story.
How did you get 150 likes for that? That's right, it's that time of the week. I'm Jaime Rivera, this is Pocketnow, and this is the Pocketnow Daily Recap, your comments for last week. On Monday, the comments were all about the Huawei Mate X, its announcement, its price tag, our video, our thoughts. We had 441 comments. I asked you what you thought. My wallet folded watching this. Press F to pay respects. Oh my God. Yeah, I have a lot of mixed feelings about that Mate X. I love it. I wouldn't pay for it. Now Galaxy Fold seems cheap, and Apple will be able to charge $4,000 next year for their foldable. Dude, exactly. Probably one of the things that I hate the most is that they're only vindicating and proving that Apple is not charging enough money. Hello, Jaime. Foldable phone price is way too high. 2 years from now, and foldable screen tech will be less pricey than most of us would buy. Oh, the funny part is, every single iPhone since the iPhone X has a folded OLED inside. True, I mean, companies have made changes in order for a lot of things to be foldable. It's just, God, $2,300, man, no. Then on Tuesday, the topic was the Huawei P30 Pro. We heard rumors that there might only be 3 cameras. I asked you, what do you think about that in 2019? We had 400 comments. 2018, a whopping 3 cameras. 2019, only 3 cameras. Fine, thank you. You've got a point. What a ripoff, only 3 cameras. All right, fine, make fun of me. I deserve it. True. I think the Pro 4th camera will be time of flight. We've seen it from the Galaxy S10 5G. It would be great if they included it. True, I mean, we're going overboard. And speaking of cameras and weird things, we hear that the Galaxy Note 10 will bring 4 cameras, out of which one of them will be included in the S Pen, I believe. So on Wednesday, I asked you, like, what do you think about that? We had 412 comments. If they put the camera on the S Pen, they could drop the front camera. It would be their integrated front camera, which allows for no cutout in the front screen. Could be nice. Dude, that's actually a genius idea. Thank you. I hope they do it. I hadn't thought of that. S Pen with camera, no thanks, unless proven not to be a gimmick. Oh my God, comment number 1 actually makes a point. I mean, Mark is right. That would be, like, ideal. Camera everywhere. The FBI are hella happy. Fine. Have you seen the cutout pictures on Reddit that you could use as your wallpaper on the Galaxy S10s, and one of them is FBI indicators? Then on Thursday, the topic was the Galaxy Fold again. We hear that it will be sold in limited quantities. I asked Jeremy, what do you think? Do you think that it should be a limited edition product, or that it should be sold in masses? We had 330 comments. It makes sense that the Galaxy Fold will have limited availability. Not a lot of them will be sold, but make it appear that demand is high, like Microsoft did with the early Surface devices. I don't know if Microsoft did that with the Surfaces, but true, that's actually what Apple does. Could be. The price alone makes it an exclusive product, so might as well do it themselves. True that, it's definitely not priced for consumers, that is true. It makes sense for the Galaxy Fold, but I would hope there will be a Gen 2 version, and the smart RAZR device would pique my interest as well. I hope I read that right. Yeah, there are rumors actually that there is a Galaxy Fold 2. We actually covered it this week, where we were talking about the possibility, and I think that it makes a lot of sense. And then finally, Friday, the topic was the Huawei P30 Pro. We were discussing the whole concept of how the cameras would be designed, and I asked you, which setup do you like? We had 360 comments. I believe the wide is more useful. Dude, true that. I mean, I've been using it on every smartphone that I've liked, like the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, LG devices, and now the Galaxies have it, it's even better. 10X, my inner creep says yes. True, because the rumors are that one of these cameras is periscopic. It would be great if they pulled it off. I mean, I can't wait to see it. I think the wide-angle camera will be on the standard camera of the P30 Pro. That could be the case. I don't know, man. P30 Pro, they did a great thing with the P20 Pro. It innovated. It brought a different approach to cameras, 40 megapixels, which is now pretty much the standard in a lot of phones. So honestly, I can't wait for Huawei to pull that off again, but that's just me. That's it for the Pocketnow Daily Recap. Thank you so much for watching. If you want your comments to be featured, keep them short, stick to the point, and try to get some thumbs up. It helps us spot them a lot easier. You can also follow us on social media. Subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.